All right, so in case you are in Gauteng Province and you are looking for jobs from the government of Gauteng in South Africa, for instance, the NASI iSPANI programs and jobs, this is what you need to do. So you have to go and visit this particular website here, jobs.gauteng.gov.za. Okay, now when you visit there, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account. I'm assuming that you are here for the first time, at the site for the first time. So you go here and you register. So when you click on the account, there's a login here, there's a register here. Okay, so you click on the register. You are going to register a profile. Make sure you use your official names and documents over here. Okay, here you are to use an email address. For the purpose of this, I would advise you that you should create an official email address. What I mean by official email address is that you can use your name, maybe Daniela or whatever, your official name plus the email account that you are using. For instance, if you are Daniela or you are Prince or whatever your name is, you use that one at, let's say, gmail.com. I prefer Gmail, okay, because it's quite popular and you have access to so many other things that you can do with. So use that email here, okay? So you can create a new email in your name. If your name is taken already, what you can do is that you can just add something a bit, maybe 2024 or 2025 or 1, 2, 3 to it. But your full name will be showing there. So whatever your full name at gmail.com. So you put that email there. And then here you enter your first name as it appears on your ID document. Okay, you enter your first name and then you're going to create a password here. Okay, you're going to create a password here. All right, now when you go to this side, this is your ID number. Remember, your South African ID number, which will be used as a username. So just enter your ID number. Don't enter any other number or any other number characters, any other characters, but enter your South African ID number, and that's going to be used as your username. And then your surname to appear here. All those that you see with the red asterisks here are required, meaning you cannot leave them. You have to punch them or enter them at all costs. Now here you enter a password, your preferred password. It is advisable to choose about 8 characters or letters or characters that cannot easily be guessed by somebody else. Okay, so whatever password that you choose for yourself, and then you confirm it here, meaning you enter the same password over here. Now here there's a security question here that you need to choose one from. So what was your childhood nickname? What was the name of your primary school? What is your favorite TV program? What is the color of your eyes? And what is your pet name? Okay, so you choose the one that you can easily remember, because later in case you miss out, you forget your password or whatever, they use some of these security questions to see if you're really the one who created it, so that they can give you the avenue to reset your password. So let's say you choose your favorite TV program, then you put your favorite TV program here, the name of the favorite program. Okay, so you have to choose something you will forever remember. For instance, if you have a pet or the name of your primary school or whatever your favorite program, choose it over here. So after you have entered this one and then you submit, you click on submit. Okay, you click on submit. They may give you a confirmation image that your profile has been created successfully. So if you have created your profile, that's what you're going to do. So you come here to the account and then enter login. Okay, when you come here, this page, what you're going to do is that you are to enter your username, the username that you entered earlier at the registration page, which is your ID number, and then the password that you chose, you put that one to here, and then you log in. Okay, click on login. I don't have any account for now. Now, in case you're a new person here, you can also click on don't have an account, creating it, or in case you have forgotten your password, okay, you can click on that and then they'll ask you to enter your ID number, okay, and then you click on retrieve profile. So they will send you an email to show you how you can reset your account. Now let's go back to the main thing that they want to do today. So let's go to the home page. Now here they post jobs almost every day at this particular site. Okay, yes, and here all the things are done online. So your CVs, any other document that you need, they has to be scanned in a digital format so that you can upload them when necessary. So here are the jobs that they post. Most of the jobs here are from the Department of Health. Okay, most of the jobs here are Department of Health. For instance, if you take the first one here, say enrolled nursing assistant, you can come here. Okay, so this is the position that they're advertising, the department that's requesting, and then the package. This is the amount of money that you're going to receive. Your annual salary is 165,177 rands. That's your annual salary for a year. Now, this is the closing dates of this application, meaning 16th September 2024. Okay. Now, for you to know the details of this particular job, just click on view. Okay, you click on view. Now, when you come here, they've given you the job details are here. So you have reference number, directorate that is looking for the number of posts, meaning they are looking for 2 people for this particular position. Like I said, this is your salary, the annual salary, 165,177 rands. And then for any inquiries, this is a person that you need to contact for any inquiry concerning this particular job. So here, this is a requirement that they are looking for grade 12 or matric or equivalent qualification that allows registration as an enrolled nursing assistant to the South African Nursing Commission, okay, the SANC. And then you also have nursing assistant grade 1 with no experience required, grade 2, minimum of 10 years experience, appropriate recognizable experience and whatever. So every detail that everything that you need, these are requirements that you have to meet before you can apply for this post. These are the duties that you're going to do: assist patients with activities of daily living, provide elementary clinical nursing care, maintain professional growth, stroke ethical standards and self-development. So these are the duties that you are going to. Now take note of this. It says applications should be submitted strictly online. This is one thing I like about the Gauteng job system. You are to submit your application strictly by online. Okay, so you don't have to be going and be printing and printing and printing. Where sometimes when you are not taking, they just dump your paper somewhere. Now this and everything is done online. So what you have to do is that your application should be submitted strictly online, mind you, at the following e-recruitment portal. First of all, this is a site that we are currently at. No hand-delivered faxed or email applications will be accepted. Take note of that. You are only going to do it strictly on this particular website. Note, for assistance with online application, please email your query to healthjobqueries@gauteng.gov.za. Applications should be accompanied by a fully completed and signed NIM Z83 form. Okay, Z83 form. So please make sure you got the latest one, okay, the new one. Okay, yes, from any public service department or on the internet. So you can get it from this particular website. Remember, this one is a government agency, okay, which is a public service department. Okay, you can get the new Z83 forms, okay, plus a recently updated comprehensive curriculum vitae. That's your CV. Applications without proof of new Z83 application form and details CV will be disqualified. Okay, applicants must indicate the post reference number on the applications. Take note of that. So you are supposed to indicate the post reference number on this. So this is the post reference number they are talking about. This one, that's what they are referring to. Okay, then applicants must indicate the post reference number. As I said earlier, shortlisted candidates will receive communication from the HR unit, submit certified copy. So after you are shortlisted, remember they will shortlist you. So look at your applications that you submitted. If you qualify, they will shortlist you, and then you get correspondence. Then you'll be asked to submit certain documents afterwards. Okay. and other relevant documents not older than 6 months or on or before the day of the interview. So meaning after the submission of these documents, you be required to do some interview. Because you are looking for a job, please, at least if you stay around, you should try as much as possible that you can. You see, so you just don't go here alone. You go to the other places. Okay, so this is the employer, that's the department of the location, the ODI district hospital. Remember the closing date as I said earlier. Okay, good. Now, in case you want to submit your application, this is what you need to do. So you click on this, apply now. Okay, yes, I haven't created an account here yet, so that's why they are requesting for my account. So you enter your ID number, which is your username, and then your password that you created, and then you click on login, and then they'll open up a form for you to submit all the necessary documents. Okay, there's a place that you have to submit your CV, your curriculum vitae, CV. Okay, very, very important. And then there's Z83 forms, so you fill it and then you scan it. You scan it nicely. All right, so you can go back again and then go and look for other jobs, okay, that you think that you qualify. So you can just go through, you can go to the next page, you can click on this. I think that is all for now. Yes, there are only 6 entries here. Okay, yes, you can wait. So this one too is assistant manager, nursing general area. Okay, and then professional nurse specialty, like all these. So you just click on the view, and then from there you keep on checking every day. Especially most often they post jobs that are related to health on this particular website, so you keep on checking every day to make sure that at least maybe you might be very lucky enough. And always check the closing date in your documents, and then in your CV to make sure that your CV actually matches the job that you are applying for. That is all for now. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.